Hello guys, good afternoon. You are welcome to my channel, the explicit tutorials. We are still solving questions on coordinate geometry, that is in further mathematics. Now we have a question on the board which we are expected to carefully solve, alright? Now the question says, find the equation of a straight line that passes through the point minus 2, minus 1 and 2, and 1 and minus 6. Find the equation of a straight line that passes through the point minus 1 and 2 and 1 and minus 6. So how do I go about it? I will carefully bring out these 2 points. Now the first one they said is minus 1 and 2. First one is minus 1 and 2, and the second one is 1 and minus what? 6. Meaning that this one is a x1 and this one is a y1. This one is a x2 and this one is a y2. Alright? Now don't forget that we said that y1, we said that y minus y1 equal to m open brackets x minus what? X1. That's equation 1. We also know that y2 minus y1 over x2 minus what? X1. Alright, so what do? This is equal to what? M. Equation what? 2. I'm going to make m the surrogate formula. So whatever I get, I'll put it into this equation. So on that note, I'll be having m. I'm going to divide through by x minus, that is x minus x1 over x minus what? X1. Alright, so I'll be having x, as I'll be having, this has divided, this one has divided this, right? I'll be having y minus y1 over x minus x what? 1. Meaning that wherever I see m, I can now put y minus y1 over x minus what? X1. Alright, so I'll bring it down. I'll say y minus y1 over x minus x1 equal to this, as equal to this rather, which is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus what? X1. Now this is the simplest method you can use to solve problem that is related to this. All right, it is very easy. Now if you have been able to do this, it means that you are almost done solving the problem. Now I'll take it again. X1 is this, y1 is this, x2 is this, and y2 is this. All right, and we know that to look for the slope or the relationship between slope and point, we're having to be y minus y1 equal to m x minus x1. All right, this is already equal to this. I'm going to make this the surrogate formula such that this will divide this, this thing will divide everything. I'll use this one to divide the two sides, the left hand side and the right hand side. So if that is done, I'll be having y minus y1 over x minus x1. Meaning that wherever I see m here, I'll put this, and that is what I have here. So if that has been established, we can now solve. Now I'll say y minus y1 is 2, right, over x minus, what is our x1? Our x1 is minus 1, right? Minus 1. Alright, then equal to, what is our y2? Minus 6. What is our y1? y1 is 2, alright, minus 2 over x2. What is our x2? 1 minus, what is our x1? Minus what? 1. I'll take it again. Y minus 1 and minus 1 is, that is y, this y1 is what? 2, right? That's what we have here. We now have x minus x1, but x1 is minus 1 equal to y2 is minus 6, and that is the minus 6 we have here. Then y1 is 2, right? So minus what? 2 all over, and this one is x2 minus x1. So that is what I have here. So it is very easy. So what do I do here? I'll simplify further. This is y minus 2 over minus times minus I have plus, right? I'll now be having x plus 1 equal to minus 6 minus 2 is minus 8 over 1 plus 1. What do I do? I'll be having y minus 2 over x plus 1 equal to minus 8 over what? 2. So I can now cross multiply from here. If that is done, 2 times y, I have 2y minus 2 times 2, I have 4 equal to 8 minus 8 times x, I have minus 8x. Minus times plus, I have what? Minus 8 times 1, I have what? 8. Alright, so if that is done already, what do? I'll collect like terms, okay? Now, so I'll now be having 2y plus 8x equal to minus 8 plus what? 4, right? I'll be having 2y plus 8x equal to minus 8 plus 4. I have what? Minus 4. I'll be having what? Minus 4. But based on what I have here, I can divide through by 2. Divide through by 2. This will go into this, I have y plus. This will go into this, I have 4x. And this will go into this, I have minus what? 2. So this is the final answer. I'll take it again. Hope what I just did is very clear. You cross multiply from here. This times this, I have 2y. This times this, I have 4 equal to minus 8 times x is minus 8x. So minus times minus, that's minus times plus, I have minus 8 times 1, I have 8. If that is established, I'll collect terms. If this crosses, it becomes plus 8. And if this crosses, it becomes what? It becomes plus 4. Alright? So I have 2y plus this and I have this. Now minus 8 plus 4, I have what? Minus 4. Then I have 2y plus this. So because there is a number that can divide this, and this, then I'll use to divide through. So this divided by this, I have y already. This divided by this, I have 4x equal to, divided by this, I have what? This. So the final answer is y plus 4x equal to minus 2. Thanks for watching this video, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, do so that when I upload new content, you would be notified by YouTube. Do have a wonderful day.